Hello, everybody. Benga Latunji here. Welcome to Teachings Associate channel. Today we are looking at effects of information technology on performance management. We've been on this series before on information systems in performance management, and we are going to quickly summarize what we'll be looking at in the next video concerning the effects of infotech on performance management. Basically, when we are talking about performance management and the effects of performance of information system rather on performance management, we cannot but talk about its impact as to accessibility to information, especially source or sources of information, and we have quite a few of sources of information. Instant access, we have access to performance management tools too, by virtue of having infotech around us now. Remote inputs, we cannot dispute that. Remote output, we can't dispute that. So that generally means that all over, anywhere we are in the world, we can easily do things without being present in the location in which the thing is actually happening. Also, we must go into detail of the storage of information, and the capacity to store information is almost limitless now, except for maybe monetary aspect of it, but it is limitless. To archive things now, you don't need a large space because everything now is in the cloud. So we are going to talk about remote data storage, its effects on remote processing, and electronic business of things. That is a lot of details that we are going to go into. Competitive advantage has been created by virtue of the effect of infotech, information technology, on our world and in performance management. It helps us too, especially when we are buying and selling nowadays. We can easily buy a lot of things nowadays using e-commerce. So these are the things that we are going to be looking at in this tutorial now, and we are just pointing our attention so that we can be aware that we are releasing the video. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, subscribe to us, like us, comment any question you have. You can be sure we are going to answer them. And after this, we are going to go into types of infotech, that is information technology system for performance management, like expert system. We are going to be talking about expert system, the robotics, how it's helping us. We need to know all these things as accountants, and it's there in our syllabus. And you know that now that we are having new syllables that are up to date, it's important that we are abreast of infotech as it concerns accounting and accountancy in this our present dispensation.